No way, way.
Right now, when me look for my picnic, them and say that 1 million years, so much school fee, how much college tuition this would have paid.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
I'm about to go on without Peppa. Bye.
I decided that I'm waking up very, very early. And I come outside and of course I find Jackson out here. So his chore is to let out Peppa in the morning and feed her. So I'm about to go see his new strategy. That's the new strategy?
Yes.
Why?
Because Peppa's always walking away. So why not go to the high ground and do it?
Makes sense. Morning, Pepper. Morning, morning. All right. Now I'm going to give you my updated iced coffee method. It's so good. So basically, just start off with some instant coffee. I'm using the Nescafe one here. Then, I don't know about you guys, but I walk past this all the time in the supermarket and I decided to just stop and take a look at it. I really thought it was a foreign product, but it's not. It's a Jamaican product and it's actually really good. So I'll do about 2 teaspoons of that. And then just to kick it up a notch, Sima sent me some more of the vanilla bean extract, which I love and put in my coffee normally anyway. But that just kicks it up a notch and gives it a really warm flavor. So yeah, this is my iced coffee recipe. Now, if I'm feeling fancy, I can always perk some of our Royal Blue Mountain Jamaican coffee and then just do it like an espresso shot and then put that in here too. So this is just my quick method and this is like my, I'm really ready for some big flavor method and I have a little more time. You know what I mean? Options, people, options. Boom. And then we add ice, and at this point you can add your oat milk or your regular milk. Today I'm using regular milk. Some days I use oat milk since I'm not doing the dairy thing every day. And that's it, a cup of coffee. Now, I know a lot of you prefer something hot in the morning, and some mornings I do. Some mornings I like a cold coffee. And I really switched to cold coffee after I stopped smoking because hot coffee in the morning was a trigger for me. So I actually stayed to cold coffee. Now, I know a lot of you are like, no, have something warm in your belly, but I've been doing this for several months and it seems to be okay. So, yeah. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Baby Oz. Good morning. And look who is here, Oz. Who is that? Who is that? Mama. She's here. What's up? Happy. These two. Good morning to you. Hello, Atlas.
Hello.
Love you.
Love you.
What's up? Them still are gone. Look where you going. Chill. Good morning, baby Callaloo. Even though this is where we had our little mishap, they're coming along. Good job, baby Callaloo. Guys, the trees are coming along beautifully. I think that's baby pak choy for sure. I'm not sure what this is. Can't remember what else I planted. I'm gonna say that's okra, and then look guys, scallion. The beginning of scallion. Actually, I think these might be the string beans, cause yeah, I think it's string. I don't know, we're gonna see guys. Covered it with some wood chips to keep everybody cool and nice. It's looking good. We're not sure what type of pepper it is yet. MoMo bought tuna. Exciting. Wow. Wanna know about tuna and turmeric? What's happened to you? You can't have my coffee. No. No, wait. Explain to me this outfit.
What do you mean explain my outfit? Let me tell you something about me, right? Tami and MTM.
Yes.
Wayne Mitchell, Wayne Marshall wears many hats, okay?
Many.
Right? Okay? And when you see me put on my shirt, you just know me in a project manager mode. Right now, this is Mitchell home renovation. I deal with. Right? When DIY is what they call the muscle, and contractor Wayne is the brain.
Oh, well, the brain forgot to press the shirt. It looks like it just
It's
come
brand
out
new.
of the plastic.
It's brand new, so I'm going to go on the road and warm it out. And by the next time you see me, it's supposed to. You
press
understand?
out. Yeah.
Brand new people.
Okay. Free for me. All right, Reno Wayne, or contractor Wayne, or project manager Wayne. We have to go and get 2 locks today for the grill. And then I don't know what else I have to do. Just pray for me, y'all.
Did you do the printout of the thing that I told you to do?
I did. It's here.
So how come you never show me? Listen,
Wait,
she's
today
in
is
some
another
joke
day.
business, you know. You into joke
I
business?
got it last night.
Listen. When you see me in this frame of mind, just know you have to dot all the I's and cross all the T's. I don't miss any details, okay? So let's get the printout, let's get reading, let's get our things to do today. Okay? Home renovation mode. That's the mode I'm in.
Yeah. Mom.
Pray for me, Oz.
MTM, let me tell you something about MoMo from Linstead. She's a witch doctor. MoMo have a Rasta man where they cross the road from her. We met Juice and them something there. MoMo, oh, you never bring one of the Rast juices. I think at one time she bring it's a thinking to a juice or some kind of weird mix up. Let me ask you something. What is this? What is this flat cactus looking something where you bring come from country? What is this?
Good for ear.
Good for hair.
Yes, and if you have back pain with coconut water, it's good for it. Like,
Hair plus back pain.
it's good for hair.
Yeah, you can put it on your
Put
hair,
it in your
or you
hair.
can drink it, or eat it.
I show something.
Yes.
Why them call it tuna? Tuna no fish where you not see.
No.
Why them call
no.
anything?
Just say it name.
Tuna?
Yes.
So this number account.
Yeah, we have a tuna thing right around there.
So why you ask her to bring it if we have it?
I don't know if it's really tuna. It look like tuna over there, but I don't know. I have to check.
It helped me a lot with my back.
Yeah.
It helps you with your back.
With coconut water.
It's a type of cactus, you know.
Boy, that's why we have to love island life, people. We have a lot of natural remedies that passed down to us from our great ancestors.
Our great what?
What I say? Ancestors. We give thanks. And MoMo is a woman who teach me a lot about bush and what good for her. Turmeric, the first time I hear that word, I think is MoMo Mears say.
That's true.
You understand? So we give thanks. People, I wonder if you know say Fontana do delivery. Emery, I wonder one to your memory. Because I say from when if you come here now and you can't reach. Everything good, you have something there now?
Yeah man, everything is there man, everything is ready.
Alright.
Photo shoot. I'm done. This is show off.
Tami have friend
Oh my
everywhere
god,
she
she's
go.
beautiful!
So we'll get a daughter next year.
Don't it?
Oh my god! Oh my god! She's so beautiful!
I just went there when I talk, say
Where
baby
you
just
did
born
that?
still, you know.
Dude, she just had
She's
a
one
baby.
already. Can you imagine?
Yeah, second
Queen,
time
she's
fly.
so pretty and perfect.
This is not a thing, you know.
Queen!
What?
I'm filming!
They were coming down the wrong way. See? they were coming down the yeah.
Road rage.
Yeah, the way people feel like me have road rage, you know. But I'm not really serious, you know, but it's just
Road rage.
it's a Jamaican thing when people are doing blatant or blatantly disregarding the road code.
I don't like it either.
It's a terrible thing and it can cause. What do you mean if it's dangerous? Then what in could be coming down the left side of the road now? Huh?
Well, I'm looking for
Kill him and try to kill we have?
because yesterday I was in the house, right, with the boys, and when we seen at the yard, in right where we did the new awning in that TV room there, 2 pigeons in the house. At first I thought it was 1. And when we look again, I said 2. So I was like, oh my god, there are birds in the house, right? Which is a lovely thing. But then
It's a lovely thing.
I had to think about the fact that if the boys scared the pigeons, they would start to flap and go
Pigeon?
wild. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said dove.
No.
Okay.
Why would there be 2 doves when you have doves flying around free? Anyway, so I was worried that if the boys ran towards the birds, that the birds would then flap and then not get back out through the grill. You know how I gone. And I all I kept envisioning was just these birds crabbing and in the house, you know?
Mhm.
Anyway, so I said, boys, you have to be quiet. And we walked over quietly and I looked at them and they hopped back through the grill. Anyway, I was just in the car now and I was saying to myself, I wonder what it means to see 2 pigeons. And it said, there it is, these birds usually mate for life, and for that reason they are considered a good omen regarding our love life. Primarily seeing a pair of pigeons or doves symbolizes luck and love. Isn't that nice?
Okay.
I always know that birds in your house are a good omen.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good sign. I love little signs and symbols like that because I really believe that, you know, we get signs and symbols all the time. People are always looking for it in like very specific things, but I think they're everywhere, you know. But I thought it was lovely that 2 birds were in our house, not 1 but 2, and they just hopped right back out. Lovely.
It's a very good old woman.
It's clearly said. So guys, by now you would have realized that you haven't seen Angie in any of our recent videos, and she's fine, so I don't want to alert anybody. She's okay. With the recent rise in COVID numbers, and it has been big numbers, we decided that, you know, with the back and forth of Angie every day, coming back and forth every day, that it was just creating a little bit of a risk for us every day that we just weren't comfortable putting our family in every day, and so we had to make the tough decision of letting Angie go.
But it's all love with Miss Angie. We're communicating with her all the time and we are helping her to figure out the best situation for her and the next move.
Yeah, especially with her health issues as well, you know, and with possibly the children going back to school, maybe face to face, that presents its own set of problems. And we spoke very openly about that as well with each other, you know, and so we just had to wait out, and it was not an easy decision.
But at the end of the day, we have to make decisions that are the best interest for our family.
Yeah, from time to time we'll ask Ange to send videos for you guys so that, you know, we can keep in touch with her and know what's going on. So yeah, tough one. That was a tough one.
Yo, it's a tough decision, but sometimes in life we have to make those decisions. You know, it's not always going to be easy. 1, 2, 3, everything.
I know,
you know,
COVID just
there's some days.
complicated everything, man.
Yeah.
It's crazy to me. Anyway.
I'm controlling. Atlas, go to the ball. Go to the ball with that guy. Yes.
And then flick it. There you go.
Atlas,
Flick it.
Get him.
Yo, when me and Terika we have one like this one, we lick man, we kill it. People, tell me if you remember a thing named money football. Zine, money football, man. And then you have a next thing called buckle stopper football. A 2 different things. Money football, when you have the fudge stick and go and flick it. Buckle stopper football now is when you have the buckle stopper them, the little thin buckle stopper them, and they have a little button as the ball. And you go so boop and flick it. Man, me I talk about them days the way I make jersey, you know, and I put in a man of Argentina, next man of Brazil. Like how them have fun with this? Trust me, crazy. So you know what, for big up cousin Sabrina and Tristan for send that one there for the youths them.
So many books. And big up to cousin Linda as well, who just sent me over like sight words and activities for Atlas especially. Like I feel like our little teacher, like she hooked me up with so many things, and Sabrina and Tristan sent over books that may have been Tristan's own. What's Ozzy mouth? Don't eat that.
Oh to go, no.
Take it from him for me, Alex. Thank you. Good job.
You see, because Linda is an educator, she knows exactly what we
hooked me
need
up.
for Atlas and for Jackson.
Yeah. And
Who
Sabrina.
sent all those books?
Sabrina.
No, I
And
forgot to show.
Tristan. We're not gonna leave out Tristan.
I'm gonna bring. I show you. It's not no 1 and a 2 and a 3. Check this out.
I mean,
people.
look at this, guys. Books upon books.
Months of
Upon
books,
books, upon books, upon books.
if not years.
Books. And look over here. Books upon books. And the books that we have duplicates of, like we have the Harry Potters already, we will donate those books as well. Look at this. Look at this. So we have this, we'll donate that one as well.
That's super kind.
And it's just amazing. And then Linda sent over all of these things. Look at this. All of the
Workbooks upon
workbooks.
workbooks. Sight
Everything
reading
is just
words.
out. I have a couple books for Zaya. She labeled everything so beautifully. So big up to the cousins who sent that for us. Thank you very, very much. But my favorite would have to be from the cousin who sent us Coopery for Wayne. If you don't know, now you know.
Yo, the whole MTM have me off with them. I'm not that bad enough people. No, but this will help. This will help. No more scandal in the house. No more embarrassment for me. Those who know. That's what me, huh? Yeah. Put out your hand. Put out. Come, let me see your hand. Give me your hand. Pussy.
Oh, I know what you want.
Pussy, give me your hand. Hey. 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 So we're just putting back the grill right now at the kitchen door. Case it, and we never really fully replace it, we just case it. So I'm saying, so people, we just go and take a little time, as we say, phase by phase, we have fix up the place. The house nice people, the house deserve it. It deserve a little love and comfort, like a MoMo say. Want comfort too, like the plant and like the woman them. Alright, so MTM, who know what this? This is called Turmeric. MoMo brought this from Linstead as well. And this is like, it want favor ginger though. So this is like ginger favorite cousin. And this is good for inflammation. What is it good for, MoMo? All kind of thing. Pain and good for skin and good for infection and them things. You know me, just see a wipe on the internet. I just read an article that says doctors at the KPH are using turmeric tea for the treatment of COVID-19 symptoms. So that is a big deal. Because you don't know, Father God don't leave all of the medicine in our nature. Just we find what work with one what fight against what, you know. So that's a good look that there are some natural things out there that we can help fight the fight, you know? Good work, young farmer.
Where's your it. Let's get the tractor. Ready? Look. You try.
I want to see that. I want to see Mom.
Wait, you was learning. Transfer the rabbit pee because this thing wasn't working.
We believe in you.
Oh my god, that's because you haven't smelled it.
Believe in you, man.
Oh my god, I don't feel good about this at all.
Good luck on a safe transfusion.
Oh my word.
Smell that bad?
It does not smell good.
Let me smell it.
But
It's just because your nose says.
There are bits in it. I feel sick. Oh my god!
oh my God, it works.
Does not make it spill out on your hand.
Ooh, it smells bad.
Smells so bad.
I didn't.
Oh, that was a lump. What was the lump?
Ooh, what was the lump, bro?
No,
Careful,
Alice!
don't move.
You don't want rabbit bleh, and rabbit doo-doo, it looks like.
Move
No, no. No! This can't be right.
What are those lumps, dog?
Oh!
Oh, look at the bug. Oh, a lot of doodles coming.
I don't feel like right about this.
I'm asking a question. How much money would I take for drink off the whole bottle?
Oh my god, Wayne!
How much money would you take to drink off this bottle
Wayne, you
of a
couldn't even
rabbit
take
pee?
a teaspoon. How
Ten-
much money?
Nah, tell a lie. A light work that 1 million US. Light work.
For what, the whole bottle?
Drink it and belch.
Yuck! No way, Wayne.
Right now, when me look at my picnic, them and said that 1 million US, how much school fee, how much college tuition this would have paid.
And how much kitchen renovation?
How much renovation, how much roof could have fixed. Listen me now, man. Me drink it and belch. You know, me tell you put all up on ice. Yeah.
I think I would divorce you if you drank this.
When we get the million US in a road, come
No, I divorce you and take half.
How wicked this.
And the house.
You said me don't drink it.
Jackson, turn it off.
It's a different thing. When we don't drink, it's a different thing. She a think. May I tell you? And the money forward.
Guys, no.
There, devil Oz. Take one. Ready? Hold on tight. You hold on tight. Hold on tight. Hold on, people. If you thought Oz ride was incredible, we're gonna do something that this circus has never seen before. This is going to be a Guinness Book of World Records if Tami makes it down this ride and this plastic thing without break it down. Okay?
$1,000.
We believe in you. Alright, come people. She's going to attempt the impossible, people.
I don't think you can manage me.
You can manage, man.
Jackson, no.
You can manage, boo. The whole
Jackson,
MTM
no.
I bet on you now.
Oh my god.
Just
I'm
spread your
ready.
foot wide and just come dog on it.
Oh god, it's creaking.
It a squeak,
Anna,
people.
stop. No, Jackson,
It a
boys,
squeak.
please.
The wheels are under pressure, but she can do it.
Boys,
Come now, come
no.
now.
Oh my god.
Alright, yeah, woo! Oh my gosh.
I know you can go.
Help me out.
Man, can't all up and call up, you have to stay young.
That was actually fun. Auntie Boozy, that was so fun.
You did it. People in the stands I say, win.
Oh my god.
Win.
Would you?
Nah.
Why not? Just try.
Nah.
It's very sturdy.
It's very
very
sturdy
sturdy.
from it all, yo. You're supposed to know.
Daddy, go. Daddy, if Mom can do it, you can do it. Come on,
Wayne,
let's
just try. Come. I'll film.
Wait,
It's not safe.
wait, boys.
It's not safe. Tami,
Boys,
if you
wait.
want- No, if more have another picnic this
Do. Wait, how it moves so slow with you?
pick up with
Stick all on him bottom. I can't manage.
No.
I can't
That
manage.
was what they call torture. Jeez, I want them something them swing and gone and I squeeze up around.
Ooh.